Okay, so we're only going to put one set of sheets and pillowcases into the washer at a time. Only one. So just loosely throw them in. Close the door. Then you're going to fill up the cup only to the line here, right? And you're going to put it right in there. Boom, right down. Then just put it on cotton normal. Set the drying cycle to normal. And then you're just going to push start. Boop. And that's it. And let it go. And it will run for several hours. So please do that with the sheets when you leave. Just one set of sheets. The other set, if you use them, you can just leave on the bed.